Financial hardship can feel like an overwhelming and constant battle. It affects not only your bank account, but your mental health, relationships, and even your hope for the future. You may feel stuck in a cycle of stress, debt, and anxiety. But know this, you have the power to rise above it. In this guide, we will explore the strategies, mindsets, and actionable steps to overcome financial hardship, regain control of your life, and build a future filled with stability and freedom. Let's begin by understanding the roots of financial hardship and the path to recovery. Understanding the roots of financial hardship. Before we can overcome financial hardship, we must first understand where it comes from. Financial difficulties can result from a wide range of factors, many of which are outside of our control. External causes such as economic downturns, job loss, unexpected medical bills, or natural disasters can plunge even the most careful individuals into financial distress. But there are also internal factors, such as poor financial management, accumulating debt, or living beyond your means. Often it's a combination of these factors that lead to financial hardship. When we are faced with financial challenges, the emotional toll can be devastating. Stress, anxiety, and even depression can emerge as financial difficulties deepen. It's important to acknowledge these emotions but not allow them to define your future. The first step to overcoming financial hardship is understanding that, while the situation may be difficult, it is not permanent. With the right strategies and mindset, you can take control of your financial situation and build a path toward stability. Mindset shifts for overcoming financial hardship. One of the most critical elements in overcoming financial hardship is your mindset. You must adopt a growth mindset, a mindset that believes challenges are opportunities for growth, not insurmountable obstacles. People with a growth mindset understand that their current financial situation doesn't have to be their future reality. They embrace challenges, learn from setbacks, and persist in the face of adversity. During financial hardship, it's easy to feel trapped or powerless, but positive thinking is your most powerful tool. Stay focused on your goals and remind yourself that every small victory brings you closer to financial freedom. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's mentors, friends, or family members who can support and encourage you during tough times. Building resilience is equally important. Financial recovery is not always a straight path. There will be setbacks, but what matters is how you respond to them. Resilience means staying strong, disciplined, and focused on your long-term goals, even when things don't go as planned. Remember, the road to financial recovery may be difficult, but with persistence and the right mindset, you can and will overcome it. Practical steps to address financial hardship. Now that you've adjusted your mindset, it's time to take action. The first practical step in overcoming financial hardship is to assess your current situation. Sit down and take a clear, honest look at your finances. Write down your total income, your monthly expenses, and your debts. This may be a daunting task, but it's essential to face the reality of your situation head-on. Once you have a clear understanding of where you stand financially, you can start to make informed decisions. Next, focus on reducing non-essential expenses. Take a look at your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. Are there subscriptions or services you don't use? Can you reduce dining out or entertainment expenses? Cutting non-essential costs may not solve all your financial problems immediately, but it's a crucial step toward living within your means. Once you've reduced your expenses, it's time to create a budget that works for your situation. Your budget should be realistic and include all essential expenses like housing, utilities, food, and transportation. Make sure to allocate some funds for savings, even if it's a small amount. Budgeting may feel restrictive, but it's a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances and prevent future financial stress. Additionally, it's crucial to start building an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a safety net that can protect you from unexpected expenses like car repairs, medical bills, or job loss. Start small, aim to save $500 to $1,000 initially, and then work towards saving 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. An emergency fund can give you peace of mind and prevent minor financial setbacks from turning into major crises. Dealing with debt and financial obligations. For many people facing financial hardship, debt is a significant burden. One of the best ways to start tackling your debt is by prioritizing it. Focus on paying down high-interest debt first, such as credit card debt or payday loans. These types of debt can quickly spiral out of control due to high interest rates, so it's essential to address them as soon as possible. If you're feeling overwhelmed by debt, don't hesitate to contact your creditors. Many creditors are willing to work with individuals facing financial hardship. You can negotiate lower interest rates, extended repayment periods, or even debt settlement in some cases. Write a hardship letter explaining your situation and be transparent about what you can afford to pay. In extreme cases, you may need to consider debt consolidation or even bankruptcy as a last resort. Both options have serious implications, so it's important to weigh the pros and cons and seek professional advice. A certified financial advisor or credit counselor can help you navigate these difficult decisions. Increasing income streams during hard times. While reducing expenses is important, increasing your income is equally critical in overcoming financial hardship. One way to boost your income is by exploring new job opportunities. Temporary work, part-time jobs, or freelancing in the gig economy can provide immediate income to help stabilize your finances. If you have a particular skill, hobby, or talent, consider starting a side business. Whether it's selling handmade products, offering freelancing services, or tutoring, there are countless ways to turn your skills into income. The internet has opened up a wide range of opportunities, from e-commerce to remote work, so take advantage of them. Another way to increase income is by selling unwanted items. Many of us have valuable items around the house that we no longer need or use. Platforms like eBay, Craigslist, and Facebook Marketplace make it easy to sell these items and bring in some extra cash. Long-term financial planning for stability. Once you've stabilized your financial situation, it's time to start planning for long-term financial security. The first step is to set clear financial goals. What do you want to achieve in the next year? The next 5 years? Whether it's becoming debt-free, building an emergency fund, or saving for retirement, having specific goals will keep you focused and motivated. Building healthy financial habits is the key to long-term stability. Make saving a priority, even if it's just a small amount each month. Automate your savings and bill payments to avoid missed payments and late fees. These small steps can make a significant difference in the long run. Finally, consider investing for the future. Investing may seem intimidating, but there are simple and low-risk options like index funds, bonds, or certificates of deposit, CDs, that can help grow your wealth over time. The earlier you start investing, the more you can benefit from the power of compound interest. Managing emotional and mental health during financial hardship. Financial hardship takes a toll not only on your wallet, but on your mental and emotional health. It's important to take care of your mental well-being during this time. Mindfulness and meditation can be powerful tools for managing stress and anxiety. Take time each day to focus on your breathing, clear your mind, and ground yourself in the present moment. Don't be afraid to reach out for support. Talk to family, friends, or support groups who can provide encouragement and understanding. If needed, seek help from a therapist or counselor who can offer professional guidance. Remember, overcoming financial hardship requires balance. It's important to work hard on your financial recovery, but don't neglect other areas of your life. Make time for activities that bring you joy and help you recharge, whether it's exercise, spending time with loved ones, or pursuing a hobby. Case studies and real-life stories of overcoming financial hardship. Many individuals and families have faced financial hardship and emerged stronger on the other side. Their stories serve as powerful reminders that financial recovery is possible. Consider the story of Sarah, who lost her job during the pandemic but used the opportunity to start her own successful online business. Or take Michael, who was drowning in debt but worked with a credit counselor to negotiate settlements and eventually become debt-free. These stories offer valuable lessons. The road to financial recovery may not be easy, but with determination, creativity, and resilience, it is possible to rebuild a stable and prosperous life. Overcoming financial hardship is a journey, one that requires a combination of mindset, strategy, and action. We've covered the essential steps, from adopting a growth mindset to reducing expenses, building a budget, increasing income, and addressing debt. with each step you take. You are moving closer to financial stability and freedom. It's important to remember that this journey is not a sprint, but a marathon. Progress may be slow at times, and setbacks may occur, but every small step forward is a victory. As you implement these strategies, remain focused on your goals and be kind to yourself during this process. Financial hardship is a challenge, but with perseverance and the right tools, you can overcome it and build a secure future. Embrace the journey with optimism and resilience, knowing that each effort you make today will contribute to a brighter tomorrow. Now that you have a roadmap to overcoming financial hardship, it's time to take action. Start by assessing your current financial situation and creating a realistic budget. Begin cutting non-essential expenses and focus on increasing your income through side jobs or selling unused items. If you're struggling with debt, reach out to your creditors or seek professional help to negotiate better terms. Build an emergency fund to protect yourself from future financial surprises and start planning for your long-term financial goals. Remember, financial recovery is a journey that requires patience and commitment. Don't hesitate to seek support from friends, family, or financial advisors. And most importantly, believe in your ability to overcome this challenge and build a better financial future. If you found this guide helpful, please share it with others who might be struggling with financial hardship. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on financial well-being and personal growth. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Take the first step today and transform your future. For those looking for more resources on overcoming financial hardship, be sure to check out our website and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We offer a wealth of information on personal finance, budgeting tips, debt management, and more. Use keywords like overcome financial hardship, debt management tips, budgeting advice, and increase income ideas in your search to find relevant content and tools to help you on your financial journey. Stay informed, stay motivated, and take control of your financial future. Thank you for listening to this guide on overcoming financial hardship. Remember, every challenge you face is an opportunity for growth. By applying the strategies discussed, you can turn financial struggles into a stepping stone toward a more secure and fulfilling life. Stay committed, stay positive, and take charge of your financial destiny. We believe in your ability to succeed. Until next time, take care and keep moving forward.